Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar. And here's a brand new halacha for you, and it is for Wednesday, the 14th day of January. Here we go. Some of you might know that the halacha is that if you come late to davening, one of the most important, let's do shachris, okay? If you come late to shachris, one of the most important things that you should try to be doing is to get yourself caught up so that you're saying Shmona Esrei, the Amida, together with the minyan. That's one of the reasons we go to shul, is to say Tefillah Bit Tzibur, which means the Shmona Esrei, the Amida part, together with the congregation. Now, to that end, you are allowed to do some catching up tricks. You're really allowed to do them. Here's one of them. The long Psukei de Zimra part, that's like from Baruch Sha'amar all the way until Yishtabach. You are allowed to skip some of that in order to catch yourself up. If you are skipping, here are the integral components of Psukei de Zimra that you should not leave out. You should say Baruch Sha'amar, that's like a must. You should say Ashrei, that's a must. And you should say Yishtabach, that's a must. Those three are kind of like the main parts of Psukei de Zimra. Make sure that you have time to say those and then catch up quickly and hopefully be ready to say Shmona Esrei with the rest of the congregation. If you're catching up and you want to skip all the morning brachos right at the beginning of davening in order to hurry yourself up, not a good idea. Not a good idea at all. The morning brachos are something that's not supposed to be skipped. They are integral to the beginning of davening, so try to make sure that you'll leave time to say those too. And then, by the way, later, you are allowed to say any parts that you skipped. You can say them later after davening because you do want to hopefully still say those. That's at least the better way to do it. And best of all is don't be late. Seriously, because when you're late and you're doing this catch-up stuff, you're going to ramble through the words and you don't have a chance at understanding or thinking about the words that you're saying, then it's very questionable. So, if it happens once in a while, okay, it happened. But don't set up your davening lechatchila. In other words, don't set it up on purpose that way, that you always skip the middle of Psukei de Zimra and you know the tricks to catching up. That's just a b'diavad. That's just something that you should do if you're in a jam once in a while. But ultimately, you should always come to davening before davening starts so that you have time to get your mind in gear, to concentrate about what it is that you're doing. That's really how it's supposed to be. Thanks for logging on. Log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.